Hello, my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skills Class 3 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 13, Shapes Formation. Very interesting chapter. Let's start. Learning Outcomes. इस चैप्टर में हम क्या क्या लर्न करने वाले हैं? The first one, 3D shapes. Then properties of 3D shapes, fun with Emily, and then formation of models by using 3D shapes and skeleton shapes. So now, boot up. We see many things in different shapes around us. अपने चारों ओर हम different shapes देखते हैं. These things have fixed shapes, right? Observe the following picture with different shapes carefully. आपके पास एक beautiful picture है, आप इसमें observe कर सकते हैं. There are many shapes, different shapes. So can you identify many shapes of things in the adjacent picture? क्या आप क्या आप पहचान सकते हैं? So count and write the name of the objects which are similar to each other. So we have some shapes over here, like the first one is cylinder. आपने अपने घर में देखा होगा गैस सिलेंडर और चॉक और पेंसिल, ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज स्फीयर. आपने फुटबॉल से खेला भी होगा, फुटबॉल देखी भी होगी, राइट. द नेक्स्ट इज क्यूब. You have seen ice cube, dice, okay. And the next is cuboid. You have seen your book and refrigerator, cupboard at your home. And then cone. आपने बर्थडे कैप भी देखी है, आइसक्रीम कोन को भी एंजॉय किया है. So these are the different shapes. Now we have to identify the objects from the picture and write which are similar to each other. जैसे इसमें क्या है, एक ये रोलर आपको पता है जिससे हम काइट भी उड़ाते हैं. दिस वन इज सिलेंडर शेप. और क्या है हमारे पास, चॉक. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं चॉक, दैट इज सिलेंडर शेप, ओके. एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन राइट लाइक पेंसिल्स, पेन्स, दीज आर सिलेंडर शेप, सो यू कैन राइट दीज वन, ओके. देन स्फीयर. स्फीयर में क्या आएगा आपके पास, बॉल आएगी, फुटबॉल आएगी, ओके. एंड यू कैन फाइंड मेनी मोर. देन नेक्स्ट इज क्यूब. क्यूब में क्या आएगा आपके पास, दिस इज डाइस, ओके. और भी आप सर्च कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस चॉक बॉक्स, राइट. ऐसे आपके पास क्यूबॉइड में क्या आएगा, दिस डस्टर इज क्यूबॉइड शेप, दिस बुक इज क्यूबॉइड शेप, दीज बुक्स आर क्यूबॉइड शेप. You can write over here. And then cone. Cone में क्या आएगा, these birthday caps and this decoration piece. So you can write over here. I hope this is clear to you. So now next we are talking about 3D shapes. Look around you. अपने चारों ओर आप देखो. Do you see things which are not flat like paper? Okay, they are shaped differently. Some are round like balls and some are long like a pencil. So the shapes we learned in the previous class that if you draw a shape that looks flat like a circle, square, triangle, those are 2D, yani two-dimensional shapes. So let us learn about 3D, three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. They have 3 dimensions, length, breadth or width and height. You can hold them, उनको हम पकड़ सकते हैं, stake them, arrange कर सकते हैं and even fill them with the things like toys because they have space inside. Each shape is unique and special in its own way. The descriptions of 3D shapes are as follow. अब हम 3D shapes के बारे में पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा सा और elaborate करके. So the first one is cube. You know cube. Cube is like a box. आप देख सकते हैं, this is a box. It has 6 faces that are all square. इसके कितने faces हैं? 6. और हर एक face जो है वो किस shape में है? That is a square shape, right? Each face of a cube is the same size and all edges are of the same length. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges, right? The next is cuboid. Cuboids are also like boxes, but they can be longer or shorter. This is the cuboid. They have 6 faces just like cubes. जैसे cube में 6 faces हैं, ऐसे cuboid में भी 6 faces हैं, but their faces are not all squares. Okay, they look like as rectangle. वो कैसे होते हैं? Rectangle, right? So it has 12 edges and 8 vertices. So same cube में 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices means 8 corners. Same cuboid, 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. You can see your room. Room में क्या है? 4 walls and 1 roof, 1 floor. So total how many faces? 6 faces. And count the corners of the room. कितने corners हैं? 8 corners. And edges कितनी sides हैं? 12 edges, right? It's very interesting. Okay, now third one is cylinder. A cylinder is like a can of soda or a rolling pin. A cylinder has 3 faces. It has 2 flat circular faces and 1 curved face. This is cylinder. आप देख सकते हैं जो base है, this is the flat circular face. ऐसे जो top है, this is the flat circular face. Circle shape में है and this is the curve. So it has 3 faces, right? Okay. Now we are coming to cone. The fourth one is cone, like ice cream cone or birthday cap. A cone has 2 faces. It has a circular face at the bottom, yani flat face, and 1 curve. It has 1 vertex and 1 curved edge. आप देख सकते हैं this cone, okay? जो base है that is the flat circular face, जो उसके around है that is the curved face, right? And this is the curved edge. और जो top है, tip है, that is the vertex corner, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is sphere. Sphere means it's like a ball. It's completely round, just like earth. Spheres have no edges, no vertex. A sphere has 1 curved face. इसका बस एक ही face है जो क्या है? Curved, right? Now we are talking about properties of 3D shapes. 3D shapes have some properties with respect to their faces, vertices and edges. The first one, vertices, the points where edges meet in a 3D shape. जहाँ पे edges या फिर sides meet करती हैं, that is the vertex, यानी vertices. Plural form यानी vertices. Faces, the flat surfaces that make up a 3D shape. जो 3D shape बनाते हैं वो क्या है? Faces, right? And edges, the line segments that connect two vertices in a 3D shape. वो line segments जो 2 vertices को connect करती है, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं जहाँ पे 2 faces meet करते हैं, that is an edge or side. I hope these are clear to you. Now we have some examples of different shapes, like here shapes given, examples given, how many faces, how many vertices, how many edges. So see, the first one is cube. You can see ice cube, this gift pack, this puzzle. So these are examples of a cube. So how many faces? 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next is cuboid. Now see some examples of cuboid. एक मैच बॉक्स है, बुक है, कबर्ड है. So these are all are examples of cuboid. And how many faces? 6, vertices 8, and how many edges? 12. The next is cylinder. Cylinder like this you have seen. I hope आप इसके साथ खेले भी होंगे बचपन में और अभी भी खेलते होंगे. So this is drum, and this is can, and this is tank. So these all are examples of cylinder. And faces, 3 faces, no vertex and 2 edges. Now cone, cone, birthday cap, ice cream cone and carrot. These all are examples of cone. How many faces? It has 2 faces and 1 vertex and 1 edge, right? The last is sphere. Sphere में हम क्या देखते हैं? Ball है, globe है, football है, and faces only 1 curved face, no vertex, no edge. I hope these are clear to you. So now the next is fun with Emily. Emily and her brother gathered old boxes and began crafting a model city. As they cut and folded, they noticed each box had flat faces, sharp corners where they met, and lines connecting them called edges. This helped them to understand shapes better. इससे उन्हें ज़्यादा समझ आया शेप्स के बारे में जब उन्होंने पुराने बॉक्सेस को कलेक्ट किया, उनको देखा. So write the name of the shape Emily is holding in the given picture. आप देख सकते हैं there are different shapes, there are different things जो different shapes में हैं. आप बता सकते हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं. Like cone है, cube है, cuboid है, cube है, sphere है. So you can write it. Now Emily loved drawing pictures of squares, triangles and circles on paper which looked flat. But when she built a toy car using blocks, it had height, width and depth, making it feel real. जो 3D objects हैं वो थोड़ा हमें real look देते हैं. Okay? जो हम square draw करते हैं, rectangle draw करते हैं या circle draw करते हैं, they are flat. Okay? The squares and circles were like drawings on a page, flat and 2D. They are 2-dimensional. While the toy car was like a real object, solid and 3D, 3-dimensional, ready for adventure. आप देख सकते हैं toy. Okay. So now formation of models by using 3D shapes. We can use these 3D shapes to make a model. इनकी help से model बना सकते हैं. For example, let us use cubes for the body, spheres for the head and hands, and cylinders for the arms and legs. Now we have built a robot. आप देखो हमने different shapes को लिया and then we can make a robot. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Very interesting. आप खुद भी try कर सकते हैं. Now, if you stack cuboids on top of each other, अगर हम एक cuboid के ऊपर एक cuboid रखते हैं, ऐसे ही हम arrange करते हैं, then you can make a tall tower or a castle. Here are some toys made up of different 3D shapes. ऐसे हम different 3D shapes से हम toys बना सकते हैं. You can see like a car, हमने cuboid लिया and sphere ले लिया, wheels ले लिए. Okay, wheel, देखो this one is wheel. Okay, and this one is snail, right? This is train. हमने cubes लिए, उसमें cuboid use किए. Okay, यहाँ पे cylinder use किया है. So this is a train. Like this we can make a joker and like tower. Okay, so how many cubes are used to form the above tower? अब आप देख सकते हो इसमें आपने कितने क्यूब्स यूज किए हैं. यू कैन काउंट इट. like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Similarly, what are the names of the shapes used to make train? ट्रेन को बनाने के लिए हमने कौन कौन सी शेप्स यूज की हैं? यू कैन सी क्यूब, cuboid, cylinder and this sphere. Okay, wheel. I hope these are clear to you. So you can try these one. Very interesting. Now formation of cubes and cuboids. अब हम एक अपने आप एक एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बॉक्स बना सकते हैं, यानी क्यूब बना सकते हैं, क्यूबॉइड बना सकते हैं. So let us build a cube. Let us make a cube with paper or cardboard. Follow these steps. हमें क्या क्या करना होगा उसके लिए? The first one, cut 6 equal squares. Make sure all squares are of the same size. हमें same size के squares लेने हैं. Then the second one, glue the edges of the squares together to form a box. फिर हमें उसकी edges को, square की edges को आपस में जोड़ना है glue की help से, and then we can form a box. Now check your cube. Does it have 6 square faces, 8 corners and 12 edges? तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं कितने faces हैं. 6 faces हैं, 8 corners हैं and 12 edges हैं. You can check it. Now look at the given model and answer the following question. The first one, write the count of faces from the top view. आपके पास क्या है? एक मॉडल गिवन है. टॉप व्यू से यानी ऊपर से आपने देख के काउंट करने हैं फेसेस. लाइक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this you can do. Similarly, write the count of faces from the front view. फिर सामने से देखना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Then write the count of faces from the side view. फिर साइड से देख के आपने faces count करने हैं. So it's very interesting. Okay. Now let us build a cuboid. अब हम बनाते हैं एक cuboid. Now let us make a cuboid. Follow these steps. The first one, cut 6 rectangles. Opposite rectangles should be the same size. Okay. Then the second one, glue the edges of the rectangles together to form a box. फिर जैसे आपने क्यूब में किया था सेम आप क्यूबॉइड में करेंगे. एजेस को आपस में कंबाइन कर देंगे ग्लू की हेल्प से. देन थर्ड वन, चेक योर क्यूबॉइड. डज इट हैव 6 रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस, 8 कॉर्नर्स, 12 एजेस. फिर आपने अपना क्यूबॉइड चेक करना है. उसमें 8 कॉर्नर्स हैं, 6 फेसेस हैं और 12 एजेस हैं. राइट. So you can try this one. Now look at the given model and answer the following question. The first one, write the count of faces from the right view. आपके पास एक मॉडल गिवन है. आपने राइट व्यू से फेसेस को काउंट करना है. लाइक 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके. ऐसे ही राइट द काउंट ऑफ फेसेस फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट व्यू. फिर लेफ्ट से चेक करना है हाउ मेनी फेसेस. Then next write the count of faces from the top view. फिर ऊपर से देख के बताना है how many faces. And then write the count of faces from the front view. फिर सामने से बताना है how many faces. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the front view. Right? Now, I hope दिस इज़ क्लियर टू यू. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. तो ये आप अपने आप करके देख सकते हैं. इट वुड बी मोर क्लियर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज स्केलेटन शेप्स. स्केलेटन शेप्स क्या होती हैं? स्केलेटन शेप्स आर मेड विद बॉल्स ऑफ modeling clay and straws. Okay. So the given picture shows below a cube and a cuboid with their skeleton. जैसे हमने हमारे पास क्यूब की शेप वी नो वेरी वेल. अब हमने क्या किया है? क्ले लिया है, स्ट्रॉ लिए हैं, पाइप्स लिए हैं, उसकी हेल्प से हमने बना दिया क्यूब. ऐसे क्यूबॉइड है. सो वी कैन मेक अ स्केलेटन क्यूबॉइड. right? Now exercise 13.1. We can try these questions. Question number 1. Count and write the number of cubes or cuboids used to make the following shape. Like the first one, A part, count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many cubes we have over here? We have 6. ऐसे B part में you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11. ऐसे C part में cuboid है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cuboid. Fine. I hope these are clear to you. Now the second question, circle the correct option. A part. A chalk is an example of. Chalk किसका example है? Cone का या cylinder का? This is cylinder. Now B part. A football is an example of cuboid or sphere. It is sphere, right? Then the C part, in a cuboid, every face is a square or rectangle. Cuboid में every face is a rectangle. D part, a dice is an example of cuboid or cube. This is an example of cube, right? Now E part, a battery cell is an example of cube or cylinder. This is the example of cylinder. Fine. Now question number 3. Name 2 objects for each of the following solids. अब हमें shapes हैं, solids given हैं, हमें कुछ examples देने हैं like A part cone. So cone के लिए what we can write? We can write ice cream cone and we can write birthday cap. Okay. Then B part cube. Cube के लिए we can write dice, ice cube. Fine. ऐसे आप क्यूबॉइड के लिए एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं. क्यूबॉइड के लिए मैच बॉक्स है, बुक है. सिलेंडर के लिए वी कैन राइट चॉक, पेंसिल. ओके. ऐसे स्फीयर के लिए वी कैन राइट बॉल, फुटबॉल, ग्लोब. Now, assessment time, competency-based questions. A part, multiple choice question, take the correct option. The first one, the dice is an example of a, you know very well, dice is an example of a cube, B part. The second one, which of these is a sphere? So, this is ball, football, okay, B option. The third one, the ice cream is in a which shape? That is cone, right? And now the fourth one, the shape of blackboard is a rectangle, A option. And the fifth one, circle, triangle, square, rectangle, these all are dash shapes. Which one? These all are plane shapes, right? Okay, B option. The sixth one, cone, cube, sphere, cuboid are dash shapes. Which one? 3D, C option. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. Now the next, B, filling the blanks. The first one, a cone has dash vertex. So a cone has, a cone has one vertex. The second one, the point where edges meet in a 3D shape is called a vertex. Okay. The third one, in a cube, every face is a rectangle or square. You know very well. Every face is a square. Okay. The fourth one, a sphere has dash curved face. A sphere has one curved face. And the fifth one, the line segment that connect two vertices in 3D shape is called edge or side. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now C part, give one word answer. The first one, a solid shape which has 6 faces that all are square, that is cube. Okay. The second one, a solid shape which has 3 faces. So that is a cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces. Now third one, a solid shape which has one vertex, that is cone. Now the fourth one, a solid shape which has one curved face, that is sphere. And the fifth one, a solid shape which has one edge, that is cone. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Very easy and very interesting. Now D part, case study. Meena is 8-year-old girl. On her birthday, she got a lots of gifts. She opened all the gifts and kept all the gifts in box with safety. She made a toy with all the gift boxes as shown in the figure. So, she got so many gifts, different shapes. Now, she made a toy with all the gifts. The first one, how many cuboid boxes are there in the base of the toy? So, you can just find out how many cuboid are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, option is A. This is the answer, right? Now, the second one, how many corners are in the cylinder shaped box of the toy? So, you just find it out. Here, in cylinder, we don't have any corner, that is 0. The third one, how many faces are there in the cone? How many faces we have? 2 faces, okay? Now, the fourth one, how many boxes are used to make this toy? So, just find it out. I hope these are clear to you. Now, skill-based question, hot questions. The first one, count and write the smaller cubes in the bigger cube. So, just count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 smaller squares in one face, or how many faces? 6. So, 9 into 6, that is 54. Okay. So, similarly, you can try the second question, right? So, I hope this is clear to you. It was very interesting. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.